traders, I hope you're well. Today we're going to cover Matic. I used to do a segment on one of my YouTube channels before it went to the wayside and was deleted called Shitcoin Sunday. So don't take it offensively, but that's just what I call altcoins, term of endearment. We're going to look at Matic today, and it's got some interesting things on the chart. This is one that I almost might have to do two parts on because there's quite a bit to discuss. So looking at the long term on it, you've really been, consolidating between 4 cents and like less than a penny for, man, look at this. This is April of 2019 all the way to January of 21. So, I mean, you spent all of 2020 in here. Huge consolidation for a huge move up. Do note that your MACD is coming down pretty hard. So anything I discuss with you is probably going to be an intraday trade type thing. And then I'll give you guys some long-term areas where if this does come down and that confirms and you get some downside where I'd be looking to buy if I were an investor. Okay, so this first part will be for that, and we'll talk about that. You can see you got support here at about 40 cents, and then after that we are looking down. So let's go out to the daily and we'll just line some things out. We're going to turn on our levels, all right? So you can see where your levels are coming in at here, okay? So I went ahead and turned on the box right here and a box right here. So this is your structural low right here. This is where demand is coming in as of right now, right? Which makes sense because from a daily perspective, this is the last place that price was consolidating before it pushed up into this region. So you really want to see this hold. Ideally, you'd like to see this weekly hold that it's working on here at about $1.07, because if it holds that, you can challenge $1.25. Get above $1.25, we'll go to 158, and we'll talk about that in a minute. So yeah, you're looking down to this daily demand around 89 cents to 70 cents. Now, if that is lost, I would be positioning myself somewhere between 44 cents, looks like 0.44049 down to 29 cents. Anything beneath that, man, and it's down there. Like you're coming pretty far down, but I think this is good support for right now, and that's a really far way off, and that's kind of a doom and gloom. But if I were looking to be patient over time and DCA into positions, I hear that term a lot, but if I was looking to strategically do it, dips are not guaranteed, but if they are given, these are areas of value that I'm interested in, okay? So that's all I'm trying to say. 70 cents to 89 cents area of value. Same with 44 down to 29. I would be buying those dips because I would expect at least some kind of a rally at that point, and I wouldn't be I don't think I'd be buying at a bad price either. So that's what I'm looking at like on investing in it. Now the daily is showing some life here, signs of life, trying to bounce up. It never got oversold. So looks like it's trying to reset a little bit, and that would imply a range. So you've got this range at the highs coming in, and I am going to have to do a part 2 on this one. I'm sorry, but there's just a lot to cover right now, okay? So we're going to discuss this range in part 2. If you guys liked part 1, check out part 2.